It's another day working on the 74 Nova. Gonna make it short, sweet, and simple today. I'm gonna pull out the rest of the floor liner that I have in there, see what more rust holes I can find. I'm gonna start stripping the exterior with little things like the mirrors, door handles, you know, the grill, bumper, hood, everything I can get off the car, I'm gonna get off. I wanna see it bare. I wanna see it to its full potential, see what I have to work with so that I can start swapping in with some new stuff. Just gonna keep myself busy and keep you guys occupied. Let's go. Guys, you saw it. I got my mom here and I put her to work with me. She helped me scrape out some more of that floor liner. Just wanted to show you what it looks like now. Nice and rusty, but everything's cleared out of there. Got a nice hole right there. Telling me even more, I'm gonna just replace everything. But let's get stripping some more. Yes, it is so hot out here, but I got a little bit done. That's all I can ask myself to do, is just a little bit by a little bit. So I went ahead and took off the grill, got the hood taken off along with the hinges. Went ahead and took off the wiper fluid reservoir because it's all cracked up. And then I went ahead and took off the mirrors. Just little tiny baby steps, guys. Making progress though. Thank you guys so much for joining me again today and taking the time out of your day to watch me and my project, and I appreciate it so much, and hopefully every day you'll like it a little bit more.